Welcome to Nourish for Soul channel.
Because whenever you pull out a list of a good deed, you would find the name of Abubakar on the top. Whichever list you pull out, you're going to find his name on there, and it's the first name. He was the first Muslim. He was the first Khalifa. He was the first and only person to be with Rasulullah ﷺ on al-Hijrah. He was the first on Iman. Rasulullah ﷺ says that the Iman of Abu Bakr is greater than all of the Ummah. Even on issues that we would regard as normal deeds. Rasulullah ﷺ was once sitting in the masjid and he asked the Sahaba, who's fasting this day? Abu Bakr as-Siddiq said, I am. Who has visited an ill person? Abu Bakr as-Siddiq said, I did. Who has followed the janazah? Abu Bakr as-Siddiq said, I did. Who on this day has given out sadaqah? Abu Bakr as-Siddiq said, I did. And everybody else in the masjid is looking around, and the only hand that is going up is the hand of Abu Bakr. In fact, in another narration of this, it says that this happened after Salat al-Fajr. Because Rasulullah ﷺ used to meet with the Sahaba after Salat al-Fajr and talk with them in the masjid. After Salat, they would talk. For example, they would talk about dreams. They would talk about different issues. Rasulullah ﷺ would spend time with the Sahaba after Salat al-Fajr, conversing with them. So it says that Rasulullah ﷺ asked, who has followed the janazah? So Umar ibn Khattab said, we just started our day. And then he said, who has given sadaqah? Umar ibn Khattab said, we just started our day. But Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu said, when I was coming to the masjid, I saw a poor man outside, so I gave him sadaqah. So who has visited an ill person? Umar said, we just started our day. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq said, I heard that Abdurrahman ibn Auf was ill, so before I came to the masjid, I went to visit him. So whenever Rasulullah ﷺ would ask a question, it's Abu Bakr who would say, I did it. Rasulullah ﷺ said, if these deeds combine together in one person, that person is going to Jannah. So again, whatever list you look at, you would find Abu Bakr as-Siddiq on the top of it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, like and share.